Hi everyone, it's Scott BMW Smith in sunny Southern California. Today we wanted to talk to you about this exciting automotive product, and here's Trish.
Hi everyone, so I'm super excited to show you today what we're going to be displaying. We got the newest product from Clearview Automotive Inc. It's the Headlight Restoration Kit, and this is super easy. You can do this on a Saturday, a few hours. It's really fun, and it's great to see an old pair of headlights turn brand new again. So you can check it out. It comes with everything that you need. And I'll turn it around here. You got 3 easy steps: the clear, the coat, and the cure. And we're going to show you exactly how it's done. Now you can purchase this on clearviewautomotive.com as well as Amazon and Walmart.com.
Great, thanks Trish. Let's meet the owner of the company here, Steve. He's going to tell us just a little bit about the product and then we'll get started.
Hey, hi everyone. Well, we have a great kit. It's the best in the world. So we're going to demonstrate how easy it is.
Perfect. So we're going to get down here. Now you can see we've already done some prep on the vehicle. Just some simple tape off to protect your paint and also some paper. So anytime doing anything with these headlights and cleaning off the lens, please wear respirator. So please, even in open areas, think safety first. So please protect your lungs with any type of cleaning that you're going to do on these headlights. One thing is too, Steve did develop this product thinking safety in mind, and you got to look at your state laws depending on how far your headlights will actually reach, but thinking about the safety of your family and friends in this vehicle dealing with these headlights. So the first step, we're going to have Steve get started with that.
Sure. We're going to do a 320 out of the kit. This is the coarsest one that we have. It's going to take off all the rough oxidation off the kit. Now you can do this by hand if you'd like, or you can use the machine with a DA sander. So we're going to start in the corner areas where the DA wouldn't make it anyway, but if you wanted to do it by hand, you can do it the whole entire thing by hand.
There's the 320 coarse sandpaper. So as you can see, you could do that with your hand or with a power tool. So we've got that layer off. So now we're going to move on to the next step. The next sandpaper is going to be the 800 fine sandpaper, and we're going to wet sand that. So Steve right now is going to spray that down. Now we're doing the next step, which with the next sandpaper is going to be the 1200 rating on the fineness. All right, now we're starting the 2000 grade sandpaper here, the final step on the sanding. Steve has included all the materials you're going to need to do this process at the house. You're not going to have to go out and buy anything other than the power tool if you have one, but you can definitely do it by hand. So here, Steve, he's definitely drying the lights up because you're going to want them completely dry for this final step. Yeah, water will contaminate. So if you have a heat gun that you can dry with, even a hair dryer, you can do that. Or, you're just going to want to make sure that you let it sit and make sure it's completely dry before this final step. All right, so here we are doing the final step. Make sure that you really shake up the bottle before doing it. We're only going to use, Steve, you said about a ½ ounce maybe per headlight.
Right.
And the kit actually does up to 4 headlights. So if you do have a couple cars, so you can see Steve did the final step here of applying it. And let's see.
Let it self-level.
Steve, if you wanted to take your car into a shop, I mean, a lot of them are using this product, right?
Right. Yeah, we have dealerships that use the product, and a light like this will probably be a few $100s to replace even on old BMW. They range from a few $100s, Trish, to a few $1,000s.
Wow.
Some of the Ferraris and things like that, or even areas that cars have been scratched, have insurance companies that come in and fix the light. By this method versus replacing the lights.
Yeah, so that's pretty amazing because the kit is retailing right now for what, Steve?
$39.95.
Wow, and
So
that'll
it's
be
less than $10 a light.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you're talking up to 4 headlights depending on the size and everything like that. So and you're looking at this lasting up to 5 years. All right, everyone, here's the final step. It does need to cure in the sunlight for about 10 minutes. So after the final application, just put it out in the sun for 10 minutes and you are ready to go. Let's show you. This is the final product. And here's what it looked like before. There it is after. Before. There it is after.
All right, and then if you do have any questions, you can see the company's phone numbers right here, so you can pause the video at this time. Okay, you've seen it here first. ClearviewAutomotive.com to purchase, as well as Amazon and Walmart.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.